Hi guys, hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're having a great day so far. So for today's video, we have one of my favourite videos to film, and it's a mascara review. I'm going to be trying out the new Fullest Volumizing Mascara from ILIA, which is very exciting, doubly exciting for me because you know me, I love a flipping mascara. I live for mascara. It's like one of my absolute favourite makeup steps, desert island item, whatever you want to call it. I love a good mascara. So I'm doubly excited because I've never really tried, well, I have not. Before I tried this mascara, I've never tried anything from the brand. So I was really excited to give it a go and give it a whirl. They actually sent me this along with a few other products, but of course the one I was most excited to try out was the mascara. You know me. So yeah, I was brand new to the brand. So the first thing I noticed was the packaging. I love this packaging, this aesthetic. This is like, I love these neutral nude tones and everything. All of their packaging is like this, super simple and chic and understated but beautiful, and I just absolutely love it. So when I saw the wand of this mascara on social media when they were like announcing that they were launching this is like my new favorite type of wand. This hourglass shape wand, I've just noticed, really works beautifully for me. A lot of my favorite mascaras have this hourglass shaped wand, so I was really excited to try this. I've been trying this now for a week or so. I've tried it a good few times, so I know what we're dealing with. I know how it wears. I know how it comes off, which is a question that a lot of you guys ask me, and when I do a first impressions, I don't know the answer to, but I do know the answer with this one because I've been trying it for a good few days, so I can give you the full tea. So let's get on with the application. So here is one coat of the mascara versus bare lashes. You can see it just so quickly adds plenty of volume, plenty of length, definition. It's nice and lifting, and as you can see, a really quick, decent coat. I really struggle with getting mascara on my eyelid when I'm doing my lashes just because they're longer and they are quite curly, so they're prone to touching as I'm applying it, and it's not really an issue. You can buff it off with a Q-tip, but I do find with this mascara, because of that hourglass shape, so the bristles in the center where they typically touch the lid, they're more prone to touching the lid there. I don't get as much of a messy application that I have to clean up afterwards, I find, with this mascara, so that's a little bonus. So let's do a second coat. So here we are after two coats versus my bare naked lashes on this side. And what this second coat did essentially is just amp up the drama and amp up the volume. There's just a lot more volume with this second coat. It's still really quick. I feel like this mascara applies really quickly and you get the effect and the amount of drama that you want without spending ages having to go through and comb and separate and rearrange your lashes and add and add and add. I feel like I get to the result I want super quickly. This brush picks up a huge amount of product, which is why I guess it is very quick to get the result that you want because it's applying a lot of product quite quickly. So that's great for top lashes, but I want to apply the teensiest amount on bottom lashes. So I'm wiping off everything I can from that wand before I go into my lower lashes. And I'm literally just trying to touch them. I don't want much there at all. My lower lashes are quite long and so too much product there. It does not look good. So here we have 2 coats on the top and 1 very careful strategic coat on the bottom. I find with wiping all the product off from the wand, it's actually then really easy to apply on the lower lash line. I think if you tried to apply it with, you know, the wand straight out of the tube, you'd probably get way too much product on the lower lashes. Wiping it off, I would definitely recommend doing that, and then it's really easy. I just would almost barely touch them, and this is exactly how I like my lower lashes to look. Just enough product, just enough separation. It doesn't make them too much, because I think with this one coat of this mascara, it actually is quite natural in a really nice and fluffy way, but the first coat is natural enough that on your lower lashes it's not going to be overwhelming or too dramatic. It doesn't kind of force you to go in a full drama with one coat, especially if you wipe a lot of the excess product off for those lower lashes. It's not going to be as messy. Finally here, I quickly went in with a 3rd coat on my top lashes just to see what the maximum amount of drama you can get out of this mascara, and you can absolutely get enough drama out of this mascara, certainly for my taste and for my requirements. Like, I am generally a 2 to 3 coat kind of gal. Okay, that's what I like. Lots of people will do 1, 2, lots of us love 3. Some of us will do like 10, okay? Some people just can't get enough of the mascara layers, okay? But for me, this is certainly giving me like the drama, the volume, the lift, the length, everything that I look for and like in a mascara, without it being too tricky to do that, without it taking a huge amount of time, without it getting everywhere. I definitely got some transfer this time. I'm just letting that dry before I buff it off, but it is quite tricky to do mascara on camera, as I said before. But yeah, this is, I'm liking this. This is what I look for. So I really like this mascara. I think it's beautiful. I think it gives me a thick, dramatic, volumized lash without it being too clumpy, without it being taking a lot of effort and time to get there. I think it's quite quick and easy and simple to actually get a really nice dramatic result, which I really like. It is noticeably quicker to get this kind of dramatic result from this mascara than some of the others that I like that are kind of in this same ballpark or this style of mascara. I don't have like sensitive eyes or oily lids that are prone to mascara sort of smudging or running throughout the day, but I have never got any kind of crumbling or any kind of fallout or any kind of smudging or transfer throughout the day from this mascara. I've used it several times. I've used it on warmer days. I've used it where there's been drizzle in the air. It's not obviously waterproof. At the same time, it's not running all over my face all of the time either. So yeah, I don't have any issues at all throughout the day. That's definitely a bonus and a win. And as far as removing this mascara, I use an oil-based makeup remover before I go in with my cleanser. So most mascaras are pretty easy-ish to get off, but obviously I do apply a lot of mascara, so you know, there's some work to be done, let's say, at the end of the day. This mascara I find on the easier end as far as removing. It's not something that I really care about. To me, if a mascara does what I want it to do, I don't mind it being slightly trickier to remove, although I do draw the line at a waterproof mascara, that they are not for me. But this one, I find it falls at the easier scale as far as removing. I find it a little bit quicker, a little bit easier to remove at the end of the day with an oil-based. It just seems to break down a bit easier with the oil than some of the others that I like, and yeah, so that's definitely a win for this one. So there you have it. Those are my thoughts on this ILIA mascara. I think it's absolutely beautiful. I think it's very reliable, and I think it's very quick, which is a priority for lots of us. You know, a lot of us are in a rush most of the time, and I just find it super quick and easy. If I want to spend literally 30 seconds doing my mascara, this is the mascara that I grab. I know lots of people want to know if I prefer this one or that one, so I will keep you posted and I'll let you know how I'm getting on with it as I get to know it a bit better. And I also want to see how it ages, because that's really important for mascaras. Some of them, you know, they go off very quickly. Some of them get better and better and better as they age. So in my monthly roundup, I will let you know which way this one is going as far as how it ages and how it improves with age or declines with age. We'll see. So please let me know if you've tried this mascara. It's such a great one. I'm really, really impressed, and I love the packaging, as I said, so I'm definitely looking forward to trying more from the brand. Please let me know how you get on with it, if you have tried it, and what your thoughts are in the comment section down below. I hope you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, and I'd love to see you in the next one. Otherwise, take care for now. Bye 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 bye.